for a short pero hindi pa binibigay. Tingnan natin Nasdaq. Let's see kung hindi pa pumapasok Sige. Ngayon kayo pumapasok kung kailan nagtatrade na ako. Alright, I'll take a long for Nasdaq. For gold, wala pa ako. Tinake ko na yung long na yan. For Nasdaq, wala pa. I will do the same thing naman later tonight. So, if hindi sila naka-watch naman, okay lang. They will still be able to figure this out naman. Alright, so this is my SL. I'm just taking 1:1.5. For gold, wala pa. Okay, I'm up $3. And then Alright, 1, 2. Alright, this is the kind of technique na most likely baka isa sa mga technique na ituturo ko sa masterclass na advance. Kasi kaya yung mga sino yung mga nasa masterclass, si Heraline, kung hindi nyo kasi naintindihan yung fundamentals tsaka price action, mahihirapan kayong i-implement ito. Kasi it's very very fast. If ganito yung gusto nyong klaseng trading, no? Like uupo ka, no? Hindi kasi ganito yung lagi kong ginagawa. I'm just doing this para alam ko ito yung mga gusto ng iba eh. Pero ako, shadow pa rin ako. Mas chill. Okay? Mas chill. Alright, so for gold, wala pa akong position for gold. Di pa niya binibigay yung gusto ko. Pero I'm already in Nasdaq. Nasa Nasdaq na ako na trade. Lapit na ma-hit yung TP ko. I'm up $32 for gold. Ayan. Ay, sorry, for Nasdaq. Wala pa akong pasok sa iba. So, inihintay ko pa to iba dito. Ayan, $40 up. Gold, wala pa. Gold, hindi pa ako binibigyan. Okay. Okay, tapos na. Ganun lang ang buhay, trader. Diba? Tinamaan na yung aking TP. Actually, sa MT5 TP na siya. Ewan ko dito sa TradingView ba't hindi pa. Actually, pwede pa naman tayo maghanap for Nasdaq if big yan. Pero let's see. I mean, kasi ang difference kasi talaga ng trader tsaka narrator is dinodrawing nila yung price pero hindi naman nila in-execute. Magkaiba kasi yung guys eh. Like sabihin ko, this is support, this is support, this is resistance, this is resistance. That's a fact. Pero ang difference kasi, when you don't execute, how do you make profit? Ikakwento mo lang, support, resistance, support, resistance. Magkaiba talaga sila. Execution is more difficult than narration. When you say narration, everybody knows that this is a resistance. Everybody knows that this is a support. Right? Everybody knows that this is a resistance. But the point is, how do you execute? How do you create a trading plan? How many times will you execute? Yun yung problema doon.